A lot of those animals are migratory. They travel around a bunch, but we do get pretty lucky. I do ask that everyone remain seated for me at all times with your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. That is for your safety, mainly because we are going to be going through reserve with very pumpy terrain. There's going to be bushes close to us with very long thorns. If you have any loose objects, be sure to keep a tight hold on them if they are dropped overboard. I cannot stop and pick them up for you. I will notify someone that something has been dropped. It will be given to you at a later time. Can't guarantee it'll be in the same conditions that are made of keratin. There's another one off to the left there. Black rhinos are lighter than their cousin the white rhino. They'll be about 3,000 pounds compared to the 5,000. They have those upper lips that are prehensile. They're used exactly like a finger to grip leaves off of bushes and trees. Very helpful, and they are labeled as critically endangered. That means they can disappear in our adult lifetimes. Up ahead, I see quite a few antelope. The sandy-colored ones you're going to see are greater kudu, second tallest antelope on the reserve, and those are females. The males have horns that are around 6 feet long. And those orange-colored antelope you see with the big curved back horns, both males and females will have those horns. Those are bongos, ghosts of the forest they're often called. And those horns. Now, off to the left there on that island, you can actually see some big gray and white birds. Those are actually pink-backed pelicans. Their backs turn pink during mating season to attract a mate. And off to the right, you're going to see a tree. That is the baobab tree, called the upside-down tree by locals because those branches look like roots. And oftentimes will be called the tree of life, a name you may have heard of. You might have seen a much larger tree like can be utilized by rhinos and elephants who tap their horns and tusks into the tree to get water during times of drought. Alright, we are entering the savannah here, and I see something tall in the distance, and it's certainly not a tree. There's a giraffe up ahead. Now giraffes do get a 6-foot drop to the ground when they are born, mainly because those mamas will give birth standing up. They do like the freshest, youngest leaves. It's their preference. And we do see the spotted hyena, and there's actually one walking behind as well. They do get a reputation of being scavengers, but they're excellent hunters. Antelope, the official emblem of Harambe Wildlife Reserve. They are very territorial antelope. You don't see them much with other antelope that may be hanging around, just their own species. On the reserve, they get around 6 feet at the shoulder. Can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. There are 2 young Patterson seal in there, and a younger giraffe. Now, Patterson's eland can actually leap about 8 feet into the air. That is high enough to jump right into the cab of this truck. They can jump about 6 feet into the air from a standing position and 13 feet forward. And actually, when the springbok jump, it's called prong. Hopefully we can help these animals out tremendously. And I do see an elephant ahead of us. And coming up ahead of us to the left, you're also going to be able to see greater flamingos. They are the lightest pink shade of the flamingo species. You might spot some with gray heads. Those are actually the youngest ones. Baby flamingos are born with gray feathers and don't get their pink feathers until about a year or 2 old, after they've eaten enough shrimp, which is where they get their color from. View of this ostrich ahead. There's quite a few of them. Largest birds in the world. They do have wings, but they're flightless birds. They really only use those wings to help keep their balance while running. They're actually the fastest thing on 2 legs. They have very keen eyesight as well. Now, plain zebras do have stripes on their belly and brown noses, and their stripes are as unique as a human fingerprint. They actually have a kick strong enough to break the jaw of a lion. Alright, we're gonna head into Magadi Glen here.